have an adult area as well as all ages. The all ages is Lazy River. Let's go check it out. Yay, cheers! Happy birthday! They have a swim-up bar, amazing, and a little Monday Night Football. On the weekends they have bands, nice dance area, really big adult pool. And right behind here is Rita's. The Rita's Cantina that I talked about just earlier. And this is the Rita's food truck. There's the menu. And the two lovely ladies doing all the cooking for you. This is where you check in. They have Emporium right here. And Bazaar, where they sell, what, clothing? This is a cool bar Dave and I sat at earlier. They do have all the games that you want to play as far as slot machines. Well, at least I think so. They have a row of table games. What'd you say, Dave?
They do have a lot of slot machines in the sense of, like, for a small Indian casino, they do have a lot of slot machines.
They do. Lots of table games.
1 cent to $15, $25, $5 rollers. I sat on a slot machine, I thought it was 25 cents, but it was a dollar machine. I spent my money really fast.
Super fast. I think it was like less than a minute.
Be careful. Look at the denomination.
Most of the blackjack right now is at 15. All right, Dave got.
Keep as your own.
So I heard it. I don't know.
Select a case. Select 6 briefcases.
So I've heard, don't do anything and just select that case. Be lucky. Open and then feature.
Let's take a look in the case and see your prize. Thanks for playing.
Oh, that's sad.
Instead of going back and forth, they can change.
Oh, that's cool.
I kind of like
Could have
that.
won 60. I don't know what pick'em winner is. Oh, here I go. Look, Dave, can you hold this? Can you hold it?
I can.
Okay, it says pick'em. I guess I'm on $2.40. That was lame. Oh my God, only $1? Give me a break. Two extra games, not bad. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do 7. I guess I got the most, so yay. 3 spins remaining. One spin left. Oh my gosh. I am losing, but not bad, you guys. $13.
Yes, this is
60 cents. Good job.
Hey. Ah.
it's a call from the bank.
Okay.
No deal.
No deal. Select 6 briefcases. Fantastic choice. Yes, this is what we want. Let's see what the banker has for you. Select 5 briefcases. Oh, tough break.
What do we have two of them inside?
60 and 50. You're still good.
Yes, this is what we want. Wow, that's not what we wanted to see. It's the banker.
Oh my God.
18, that's it?
Select 4 briefcases.
I have this problem with these 3 numbers. I want them.
Yes, this is what we want. The banker
Take it.
has an offer.
Take it.
I don't know. Take it. I don't know. No deal.
I could end up with that, or that, or that.
All right, no deal.
25.
No
One more time.
deal. Select 2 pieces.
These are 3 of my favorite numbers. I don't know if I should take them. Yes.
Yes, this is what we want. Yes, this is what we want.
Take it.
There you go. That's a better offer. I'll take that one.
So we're here in the South Tower at Harrahs. You got your closet, your safe, decent sized TV, refrigerator, yay! Desk area. This is our view, not too great, but not too bad either. Nice chair. Check out this lamp. It's got USB ports in it, which is awesome, right? And the bed looks pretty comfortable.
What's this thing? I haven't seen one of these in a long time.
That's hilarious.
And the bed. Oh, it's actually it's firm but soft at the same time.
Is that what you like?
I do. Oh, yeah.
Pretty nice in here, right, you guys? So, hi guys.
A shower and a tub.
Nice.
And of course, your separate toilet for the bathroom.
Not bad.
And they give you shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Oh no, it's like shampoo, conditioner, or shampoo and then body wash.
So this is kind of cool, you guys. So
These rooms run $180 something a night for weekday.
and that's it, you guys. We'll show you the pool and the gym and the casino in just a little bit. salads are huge. Check out these cookies. Nice. And here's your pizzas, cakes. If you want some chips. And they also have gelato. Starbucks. Alright, you guys, this is the North Tower. It looks a little bit newer than the South Tower. Same size TV.
All your typical amenities.
Of course, your safe, your ironing, the essentials.
Got the refrigerator by the entrance.
Oh God, check that out. Ah, full-size mini refrigerator.
A full-size mini?
I guess
It's
so.
like a junior jumbo jack.
And then our beautiful view is at the parking structure. So the bathroom doesn't have a bathtub, but it has a huge shower, so. And I really never take baths anyways. Single sink. And then your toilet. So we're in the North Tower. The gym is on the second floor. And let's go check it out. Here's the gym. You have to use your room key to get in. They have water, things to clean the machines with. Free weights. I think Dave's gonna do some free weights. No, just kidding. They have towels here. I showed you the water. The restrooms are back here. Not bad. All right. So, the pool.
This is the only time you'll ever see us in here. This is when we're videotaping it.
And we do that for you guys, all right? Isn't that nice of us?
I guess the pool's up next.
Here's the cafe. They have pretty good food here. We'll probably eat here one time this trip.